Well, the lift is in. 9,000 pound lift. It's in the shop. It's a bit of a tight fit to get it in here, to get the tractor in. I've got the lights on so you can see the clearance. It's, whoa. But that gives me room to bring the tractor in and keep the tractor indoors. Eventually when I'm storing cars, the car will store up here. And when I'm working on cars, the tractor will go outside. So yeah, got the lift in the speed shop. Pretty freaking happy with it. One thing that I did do, the floor plates are 1/4 inch thick steel and they're 1 foot square. And so I bought some extra 1/4 inch plate, 16 inches square. Basically, I'm just spreading the load. This lift requires 4 inches of 3000 PSF concrete. I have 4.5 inches of 4500 PSF concrete that's fiber reinforced over my my in-floor heating. So the posts would have been just fine. But if you follow me, you know how anal retentive I am and how much I have to overdo everything. So I wanted those extra plates just as an added measure of protection on that concrete. So anyway, real happy with this lift. A lot of work to install it.